Would you like to know one of the biggest wealth building secrets in America? It's not crypto, it's not stocks, it's your mortgage. Specifically, the 30-year fixed rate mortgage. People take it for granted, but it's a powerful financial tool that is also extremely rare because it's mostly only available here in the USA. Let me explain. The 30-year fixed-rate mortgage was born out of the Great Depression. Back then, home loans were short-term, interest-only, and risky. Most people rented, but in the 1930s, the government stepped in. Agencies like the FHA and later Fannie Mae made long-term fixed-rate mortgages available to everyday Americans. It completely changed the game. Suddenly, regular people with regular jobs could borrow for 30 years with predictable payments and actually own the homes they lived in. Here's the wild part. The US is one of the only countries in the world to offer a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage. In places like the UK, Canada, and Australia, you typically lock in for 5 to 10 years and then it adjusts. Then you have to refinance or potentially deal with rising rates. Not here. Americans get to lock in for 30 years. That's predictability, stability, and long-term financial planning. Huge advantage. Now let's talk about leverage, because that's where the magic really happens. Let's say you have $20,000 and you're looking to figure out where to invest it. The 30-year fixed-rate mortgage lets you buy a $400,000 asset with 5% down. The average appreciation is 4% a year. In 5 years, it's worth $486,000 with $86,000 of appreciation. That initial $20,000 investment allowed you to buy a $400,000 asset, and the appreciation added $86,000 to your net worth in only 5 years. This amount doesn't even include the additional equity that you've built simply by paying down your mortgage. Plus, you still have to pay for housing even if you don't buy a home. Meanwhile, if you were to rent an equivalent property at $2,500 a month, you're not building any equity, and after 5 years, you will have spent $150,000 with no return, no equity, and no wealth built. And that housing is going to get more expensive because you're renting. So you're able to control your largest expense, your housing, with a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage and use that leverage to acquire even more wealth. So the next time someone tells you that renting is as good as owning, remember this. The 30-year fixed-rate mortgage lets you control a massive asset with a small down payment and a locked-in cost while building wealth every single month. It's a uniquely American tool, and if you use it wisely, it can change your financial future. To get your individualized plan on how you can leverage the 30-year fixed mortgage, contact me from the information in the notes below.